Hey Lily, are you ready? Do you have the bag? Yeah, let's go. Hurry, let's go. Stop right there. And just where do you think you're going, young lady?
We're just going to the gym, Mom.
We only have 2 weeks to get our beach bodies ready. 2 weeks? I can get you guys ready in 1 week. Whoa, really? Yeah, follow me.
Mom.
Welcome to my special police training program. Let's start with 100 push-ups.
Seriously, Mom?
100 push-ups? I can't do that many. Well, do you want to do double? No, ma'am. Now get started. 1, 2, 3, 99, 100. All right, ladies. Now that we're done with our warm-up, let's start with our 10-mile run. 10 miles? Oh, I want to go home.
Can we stop? I'm tired and hungry.
Then maybe this will motivate you? Ooh, I want it! Me! I'm the hungriest! No! Follow me on the run and everybody gets a piece. Yay!
Come on, please, 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 will you let me go, Mom? It's really important to me.
Fine, I'll let you go.
Yay!
In one condition.
Oh, anything, Mom. I'll do the chores. I'll study harder. You can take my allowance away. Wait, Mom, what are you doing?
Come on, Lily, we don't want to be late for your date.
No, Mom, no.
Oh, hey, Lily, are you ready for dinner?
Yeah.
Come sit down.
Not so fast! I want you at least 1 foot away from Lily. No funny business.
Sorry, Max.
Oh, sorry, Lily's mom. It won't happen again.
Good. Now what are you waiting for? Continue with your date. Pretend I'm not even here.
Oh, of course. How are you, Lily?
Good. This is so embarrassing.
Remember everyone, 35-page essay, due tomorrow, no excuses.
Let's see if Professor will still make us turn it in after this. Perfect. This is all I need to skip my assignments.
What do you mean your assignments aren't ready?
You only gave us a day.
That's not enough time.
Sorry, Professor, you're under arrest.
This is outrageous. I'm reporting this to the principal.
Good luck with that.
Yay, the professor's gone.
Thanks, Lily.
All right, since I helped you guys out, pay up.
Are you serious?
I don't have any money.
Me neither.
That's fine. I take snacks too.
But
That's
Lily.
not fair.
Now, or else I'll take you to win.
Oh, man,
Hurry.
hold on.
This is all we have, we promise.
Yeah, don't arrest us.
Thanks, guys. I'll be expecting this every day now.
What?
Take that uniform off right now, young lady. You are grounded for 3 months with no allowance.
Mom, I can
No excuses or I'll double your time. Let's go.
Yes, we can keep our candy.
So what'd you get on the last test?
I got a B. How about you?
Excuse me.
Can we get through?
If you want to get through, you gotta pay up.
But I don't have any money.
You can't do this.
Too bad.
If you don't move, I'm gonna call my mom.
Don't make me laugh.
Okay, I warned you.
Aren't you a little too old to be crying for your mommy? Huh?
What's going on here, guys? Is there a problem?
There's no problem, officer.
Max won't let us do unless we pay him money.
Huh? Oh, is that so? You're in big trouble, Max.
No, wait, I was just joking.
Time to go, Max, to the principal's office. Good luck in class, girl. Thank you, Mom. Lily, you're so lucky that your mom's a cop.
I know, let's go to class.
Lily, do you want to go to the mall after class?
Yeah, let me just text my boyfriend.
Okay. What's wrong, Lily?
Oh no, my phone is gone. What am I gonna do?
Don't worry, Lily. I'll take this case.
It's just a missing phone, there's no need for this.
First, it's one missing phone. Then it's the whole class. It's time to investigate. Interesting. Mia, you sit next to Lily. You're the prime suspect. Huh? Me? I promise I didn't take Lily's phone. She's my friend. That's what they all say. But I'm telling the truth. Huh?
Oops, guess I had it in my back pocket the whole time.
My work here is done. Lily, why didn't you check all your pockets? I don't know what's
Enough! We've already wasted enough time. Everybody stay after class to make up for it.
What?
Thanks a lot, Lily. It's not my fault. Before we have to stay longer.
Mom's work meeting is taking so long. I'm so bored. I wanna go home and play games. Ooh! Yeah, I'm Officer Lily and no criminal can get past me. Aha! I caught you! You thought you could sneak up on me. You're under arrest. You're going away for a long time, buddy.
Lily, time to go home. Okay,
Oh no, I forgot about the handcuffs. Oh no, where did Mom leave the keys?
Lily, what's going on? I thought we're leaving.
Sorry, Mom. I'm kinda stuck.
Don't worry, Lily. I have the keys.
Thanks, Mom.
These are not toys, Lily. Now let's go home.
Okay. Man, these problems are so hard. I'm never gonna finish. Hello? Ivy! You at the mall? I'll come right away.
And just where do you think you're going, young lady?
Oh, I was gonna go hang out with my friends.
Well, not until you finish your homework.
Come on, Mom. I'll finish it later. It's really hard. I need to relax.
I said you're not leaving until you finish your homework.
That's so unfair. I won't have time to go to the mall.
Don't worry, I'll help you with every problem. Let's go.
Fine.
Let's see what I have to make dinner today. Huh? Someone stole all the chips? I have to get to the bottom of this. Lily! Lily, open up!
What's going on, Mom?
Step aside. I'm in an important investigation. Aha!
What is it, Mom?
Give me your hand, Lily. Just as I thought. You are the chip thief, Lily.
I can explain.
Your chip stash must be here.
Sorry, Mom. I was just so hungry.
Case closed. If you're so hungry, then help me make dinner.
Fine.
Ooh, looks like the restaurant is full. Perfect.
Oh, tonight's gonna be so fun.
Last one, I'm gonna be rich. Let's see what we have in here. Huh? A police badge?
End of the line, thief.
Oh, I'm not a thief. You dropped your wallet. I was just putting it back. I was just feeling my way.
Nice try. You're not fooling me. You're under arrest, thief.
No, I don't want to go to jail.
Well, you should have thought that before you're stealing. Let's go.
Man, guess I'm having dinner alone again.
Hi, everyone.
Did you guys like our video? Leave a comment down below.
Don't forget to subscribe. Click that bell button.
Give us a big thumbs up.
See you in the next video.
Bye.